we're gonna go down the stairs. There you go. Keep going.
Are you pushing your truck?
Oh!
Uh-oh, gotta steer you.
Here we go. Here we go.
Ready?
You're okay.
Up, stop to get the flowers.
There you go. We gotta turn. Otherwise,
You know, this grass is kind of long too. It's tough for you, Zach.
the nice grass, Zach. Good. Up.
All done?
I think we're going up.
I think you're going up the stone steps.
Going up. Up. What are you getting? You gonna go up?